Alright, so it's been raining for 2 days. Can't go ride. So I figured I would do what all the other people on YouTube are doing, and we're going to do a bike check today. I'm going to turn my camera around. Maybe not. Alright. Anyway. Here's what it looks like outside. A little rainy. So, on we go to the bike check. And here it is. Can you see that? Isn't that cool? It is a Hyper Remix. I think that's supposed to be a 20. Pretty sweet, right? I know you're jealous. It has, I don't know, some no-name V-brakes on it. Got a pretty sweet little Shimano derailleur. Of course, there's no cable hooked up to it, so it doesn't work. Alright, just kidding. I'll get my bike. There it is. The Kona Cinder Cone. SRAM. I believe that's a XN derailleur. It's a 1x-drive system. Got some XN cranks on it. And we have Shimano, I don't know what kind of Shimano disc brakes, but they work real well. They stop the bike. Let's see. It's a RockShox 30, I think. 27.5 wheels. And right now, apparently, I have a flat tire, so good thing I didn't ride for 2 days. Huh. Alright. Well, there's my bike.